a cold start to Friday. We're in the 20s and 30s to kick off the day. Heavy frost happened overnight into this morning too, so you may still have some ice on the windshields of your car that you have to scrape off or let the defroster do the magic for you. The sun will help melt it here very soon as well. We've got temperatures that are 10 to 20 degrees colder than this same time yesterday, so a big drop in temperatures behind that cold front. We felt it yesterday as the temperatures kept falling into the afternoon and those chilly rain showers. Today, though, no showers expected. Lots of sunshine. Some high clouds drifting into the state, though, already from the west to northwest. Now, that's going to make it mostly sunny, but late today, as the clouds thicken up a little more, it'll turn likely partly cloudy by mid to late afternoon. Still a lot of sun, but we get into the evening hours and we're thickening the clouds. Same story overnight. We stay dry until maybe some spotty showers in the wee hours of tomorrow morning, and then maybe near sunrise as that front sweeps south. This front does not have a lot of moisture with it. Most of the showers remain toward the north and northeast into Ohio and over into West Virginia, but a few spotty showers can't be ruled out for us. We will see some more sunshine into the afternoon and relatively mild tomorrow, up near 60. We head into Sunday, and here comes our next cold front and a chance for some rain and some storms. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. If you're going to the women's NCAA tourney, yes, the Cats are hosting at Memorial Coliseum. They're playing in the first game today at noon against Liberty. Sunny and cool at that point in the mid-40s, but by the time the second game starts, should be climbing into at least the low 50s, maybe closer to 54, though, there around 2:30. But we are bringing in some of those clouds at that point. Breaking down the entire day, afternoon clouds start to move in. Breezy and milder, those winds out of the southwest 10 to 20 with gusts to around 25 or stronger. We may get some spots that could even hit 60 today. So middle to upper 50s is where most of us will likely fall later this afternoon, which is very close to average this time of the year. Mostly cloudy, a stray shower tonight, down into the 40s we go, and Lexington SC plays Indy 11 tomorrow at 7 p.m. All right, not bad. Looking mostly clear to partly cloudy, a little cool, dropping temperatures down into the upper 40s toward the end of that game. So you'll need a jacket heading out for the game. Now, Lexington SC, the women play on Sunday afternoon, dodging some showers and some thunderstorms. We'll keep an eye on that. If you're going up to Milwaukee, all right, the Kentucky men are up there in action starting tonight. The forecast there, 55, mostly cloudy. Cold up there in Milwaukee on Saturday, 36, 48 on Sunday. Some snow and rain mix, but again, as it goes warmer, it'll be just mainly rain. We're talking about that rain that comes in here as we go into Sunday. Maybe a stronger storm. We'll keep an eye on that. That is definitely a possibility for sure, some showers and storms, but we're at 60 tomorrow, mainly dry, that very small spotty shower chance, and then some storms going into play into the day on Sunday.
Well, Demir, did you have a good time?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Off to school next?
Yes.
Any last words for everyone watching?
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
And what will they need to wear on Sunday with that rain?
A rain jacket and a umbrella.
Yeah.
And have an umbrella.
Did you have fun today?
Yes.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Talking about the weather.
There you go.
And that was our favorite part, having you here.
Thanks for coming, buddy.
You're